You see all of this earning you are seeing on this interface right now, they were all made from this particular app called Testerup. Testerup is a platform that pays you to play games on their website and pays you for other things, which I will explain in this video. There are many people that are making money from this website, but some people have got their accounts deactivated. Alright, so these are the people I am here for right now. I want to show you guys why your account is getting deactivated and how you can prevent yourself also. But if you are new to this app, you can watch this video so you can also start making money online from this app. Alright, so I'll be sharing some reasons why your accounts get banned and how you can prevent yourself from all of these things. Okay, so now which app am I talking about? For those of you that don't know about this app, let me just turn on my proxy right now so you guys can see this app. Okay, if you don't know what proxy is, proxy literally changes your location. Let's say you are in Nigeria, proxy just changes your location to either the UK, US, any country you have applied for. Alright, so I'll just go to my browser right here. Okay, I'm using the Chrome browser for Testerup. Okay, so let's wait. Okay, this is Testerup, right? This is how Testerup looks like. Alright, you can the minimum draw for Testerup is $25 or £25. Alright, so they pay you for playing games. Okay, they pay for playing games, but I don't play games. And I'll show you the reason why I don't play games and other ways you can earn from this app. Now, what's the reason why your account get deactivated? Because so many people on my group saying my account was deactivated, this, that, when I want to log in. Alright, now the first reason why you get your account deactivated is using a bad VPN. Alright, you are using a bad VPN. Now, one thing about VPN is that most people are using VPN and still cashing out. What differentiates both of you is that you may have chosen a bad IP, right? The IP I know works best for all of this type of thing is IP that starts with 77 or IP that starts with 80 something. You understand? Those are the IP that works best for this type of thing. And if your IP changes frequently and they are not strong, or their data centers IPs, you may get flagged on this website. They will tell your account is deactivated. Alright, now what's the second reason why you get your account deactivated? Constantly clearing your browser. You are clearing your browser too much. Like this, my browser right now, I have never cleared it before. In fact, I used to use my normal IP, which is Nigeria IP, to search on this browser. I've not cleared it before because I don't even know how to clear browser on an iPhone. So because I know they use iPhone, so I've never cleared it before. Most of you are clearing your browser, and when you want to log in, your IP already changes from the VPN you are using. And because your IP changes, they will feel like you are trying to spam them, or someone is actually have access to your account, and they will ban your account instantly or deactivate your account instantly. You understand? That's the reason why they used to ban your account. I don't use VPN. I don't believe much like in VPN in all of these things. What I use VPN for is that I'm using it for Askable or Discount, but I'm not using VPN for all of these things. I use a proxy, and where I get most of my proxy from, you can also get it from them. Alright, I'm not saying anything. If you want me to drop a video about it, just let me know. Which is Geonix. Most of you know about it, and most of you don't know about Geonix. Okay, Geonix is a website that gives you access to good residential proxies. Alright, give you good residential proxies. All you just need to do is to get one key from Geonix and use James Survey. Whenever you are buying from this website, just use James Survey and they will give you a discount. But if you want me to drop a full tutorial about Geonix, just comment Geonix in the description and I will drop a full tutorial on how you can go about Geonix. Okay, so now the third reason, which is very important, is probably you going directly to the website. Right, either you turn on your proxy or your VPN, you go directly to the website and went and sign up through the website directly without either a referral link or anybody giving you access to the website. That's literally a referral link. Okay, what this does is that they will likely put eye on your account because they are looking for people that, let's say somebody has making money from this website, playing games and all of that. They are looking for people under that person to come. If anybody come under that person, they will trust you because they already trust the person that referred you. You understand? Like I built a profile on this website, so I withdraw from this website. They already trusted us. So because they trust me now, anybody I refer, they will not deactivate the account. There are many people that has been withdrawn from this website through referral. You understand? So they will not deactivate your account. But if you just go directly to the website with a proxy, they will deactivate your account. I'm not saying they will deactivate your account because of anything, but if you do any slight mistake, they will just deactivate your account. You understand? So Yeah, that's one thing. But if you want to use my referral link, you can check the link in the description to use my referral link. Just copy it, paste it on your notepad, turn on your proxy, and sign up through it. You can either use the app or use the browser. You understand? Use app or a browser, and you can cash out your money through PayPal. Alright, through PayPal. Now, how do you make money from Testerup? You can play games. There are many games you can play, which is the reason why this app existed, right? And this is not a get rich quick scheme, alright? This is not a get rich quick scheme. It's not make you a millionaire overnight. Never. There's no app that will make you a millionaire overnight. It is nothing. It's not easy, alright? It's nothing that is good that comes easy. You just need to put in the work. When you put in the work, you will get result, alright? So now, how do you now make a amount of money from this website? Okay, it's through referral, definitely, alright? Through referral. And how do you refer somebody? Just tap on your profile right here, tap on invite. You can invite your friends and family, alright, to participate in this website, and you get paid for that. As you can see, you can earn £2.50 for referring your friends. Now in Nigeria, how much is £2.50? As you can see, let's wait. Alright, as you can see, the rate of £2.50 in Nigeria right now for one person you refer. All you just need to do, if you use my referral link, make sure you download an app from this website. Alright, when you use someone referral link, make sure you just download one app from this website so you can become an eligible referrer. Okay, that's how they will count you as a referral from that person. And anybody you refer, tell them to download an app first, and you will get paid. Just read their terms and conditions with this referral. You can get referral from Facebook, you can get referral from WhatsApp, you can get referral from your status, and you will get paid. Alright, you will get paid. So since the minimum referral is £25, if you check the rate of £25 right now, let me see, £25, right? As you can see, this is 47k, right? This is a lot of money for some people in Nigeria. Okay, so yeah, that's how you can make money from this particular app. As I said, it's not a get rich quick scheme, and I'm not a financial advisor. All I do here is to teach you what works for people, and I'm not assuring you that you get exact results. Okay, anything that comes good, we all need to put in the hard work. Alright, so I hope you find it value in this video. If I've not touched any part of this video, just drop it in the comment. Make sure you like this video and hit the subscribe button. Okay, if you don't want to subscribe, just hit the like button, and I wish you the best. God bless you. See you guys on the next one. Peace.